What do you do when you face difficult moments? What do you do when things go wrong? What do you do when you realize you don't have money in your pocket? And say, "Misa, when I'm in Adom TV, Nkuranhyensem yeso. Na mejiri se ho ye. Ni akọ jogba bona. Yo, wondanyu moshi. Acho me, Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego. Onye nu jimi. Lions mo san jogba. Me poasem papa. Esan so do afidie ato Adom TV. Na me bisa se, ede na wotayo. Se wokọ ahochire mu a. Ede na wotayo se wo hwe botom na sika ni mu a. Ede na wotayo se mpo akọhwe oba pẹ no wabo fly. Me mpa ofi okọ. De na ya ebo adwepo so. Ama abufuo na adwendwen debi. When things go bad, think right. When things go bad, think good. Well, no. When your enemy threatens you, don't shake. Don't worry in fear. Talk about the solutions and not the problems. Ankoye, butum aye hwan oba wo se ne pe wa mpene. Anya hwe. Anya wo de no. Ka kire won say we anya de safata me no. Ni amepe no no eba. Emu ho abomfia. Emu abam. Sika no butum a ensu na we hia na meti hia mu na me ni boafo jai sa kasa no. Sika ni butum ebia na ewo ne ameyo ne amenyo. Ebia bebia metafa ne ebia memfa no. Ena ma me butum aye empty no. He na ese mefa. Ye na me se me yo. Ye na ese me gya yo. Na mabrabo ye yi. Se wo kɔ da hia da mu a empa ba. De edu koduru ho no. Ede na de me koduru ho. Se mpo obi na de me koduru ho a ada me nya nipa kɔ no akiri die. Na me mpa dia me ya beboa me. I have a good news for you. Instead of shaking when you face difficulty, speak words of wisdom. Speak words of encouragement. And learn to speak your life into being. Your life will always follow your words. Your life is helplessly at the mercy of your thoughts. Your life is helplessly at the mercy of your thoughts and your words. Your words will always create your circumstances. Onyame obo wo pono or say, and God said, or can I pray you 26 times, and God said, let there be light, and God said, moment yamra or sky, I don't know. God could have made those things, but he said. I bet you ask now you are saying basa kuha kum. The Bible no say what kind. Na obo wo so say necessary. So to him I say let there be richness. What your brain let there be easy life. So oh yeah, let there be health. Let there be good marriage. Let there be good work. Let there be let there be. Let there be handsome. Let there be beauty. I will let there be prosperity. I will let there be health. I will let there be health. Onyame, let there be. Don't speak according to your circumstance. Speak according to the results you want. Don't speak according to your circumstance. Speak according to the results you want. Before God said, let there be, nothing was good. Before God said, let there be, everything was basa. But the tree in the cabra for no. And say, Yanko said, let there be. Let me be a basa, say so. Na isum kabi. He no say, let there be light. One can say, isum na banko ye, isum ka yafa hit there be. He never thought about the darkness. He thought about the results. Let there be light. Until when we say isum wa bra bomu die, let there be light. Ori enkoso, let there be good marriage. Music as my basa, let there be prosperity. Enkoye, let there be enkoso. Let there be should be your language from this day. Let there be wealth. Let there be health. Let there be strength. Let there be wellness. Let there be a handsome man. Let there be a beautiful woman. That's what you have to continue to say. Let there be. Let there be a business that will give me profit. And let me cook jum. Let there be profit. Let there be good customers. Can same way. And then let there be a jow. let there be. What I say, let there be. Manimre mumma. Ana meja wo. Na me fan krakese enya wo. Let there be wellness. Let there be Adom TV. Ewadi. Na me na Adom TV adwuma kofo nyina se. Me di kamada Webeck, Mark, Webeck Ampedu ase. Na mada Mark Weber, na mada Richmond, Priscilla. Ene Adom TV adwuma kofo nyinara. Efiri benku bi kusi nifa. Obi a wo boy adwuma die ba me emfiefiem ye da wase nyame nhira wo. Wa wonya mrehwe me de me say nyuma job ma na yira wo. Alabama sa. Onyame nhira wo. Onyame entina.